toast, toast. Took a cough. Ace of reflex. Body talk. Listen close. Good to have, not excessive. Healing walks a line. Reflecti. Toast, toast, defensive ancestral. Guardian natural, contra lower normal. Cough, cough, nature's shield. First defense, the lungs can wield.
That's so crucial. Yensive on who, clearing pathways, what lungs must do. Dust and pathogens, out they fly. Airways sweep with a forceful cry.
Reflex arc, nerve the brain. Close the glottis, pressure gain. Explosive burst, airway clear. Evolution's code, still living here. Cough to protect, that's a fact. But too much cough, step back, react. Balance care, listen slow. Body signs will always show. Paradox of healing, when to rest. When the silence serve you best. Cough, cough, good to have. Not excessive, that's the path. Irritant lands, receptor wakes. Signal racing, reflex breaks. Chest wall tight, diaphragm drop. Air explodes, debris must stop. Mucus lifted, microbes gone. Defense rhythm carries on. Dry or wet, learn the tone. Clinical clues inside each groan. Short and sharp, maybe viral phase. Deep productive, infection haze. Pattern, timing, sound and flow. Medicine hides in what you know.
Leaf happy, bien more. Clear the lungs of foreign trouble. Cuts of water, until too much strain, gentle nurture. Hope to God, yes indeed. But calm the lungs when they bleed. Hydrate, rest, soften breath. Ease the chest from constant stress.
Little lungs, narrow air. Viruses spread everywhere. Fast breathing, watch the rate. Retractions mean, don't hesitate. Bark at night, croup may sound. Tiny wheeze, bronchioles around. Caregiver calm, comfort near. Early watch keeps children clear.
Off cough, longer tail. Reflux burn or airway frail. Smoking past, chronic strain. Asthma flare or bronchial pain. Basement tickle, throat feels dry. Post-nasal drip, frequent sigh. History deep, timeline long. Diagnosis hides in the song. Witness, you guide, choose. Healing question, what is true? Silence, cough too soon, risk stays. Block defense in early phase. Yet endless storms exhaust the chest. Recovery asked for balanced rest. Clinical art, not just control. Listen deep to body and soul.
Fever high, chest pain tight. Blood and cough, warning light. Breathless walk, weight decline. Time to seek a medical line. Kids turn fast, monitor near. Adults delay, mask their fear. Signs and symptoms guide the way. Assessment matters day by day.
Hush no law, slow the wave. Every cough a job to save. Warm tea, steam in quiet night. Gentle care can set things right. Inhale calm, exhale long. Healing hums a softer song. If alarms begin to rise, seek more help, be safe and wise.
Toss, defense ancestral. Cough, cough, God natural. Ketsi Keso, Sealy Hawku. Protect the lungs, let air be free. But when excessive, storms appear. Balance care and clinical ear. Healing paradox, we respect. Protect the reflex, but inspect. Cough, cough, ancient code. Not the enemy, just a mode. Good to have, not excessive. Lesson, learn, still effective. Slow inhale, peaceful chest. Quiet lungs, gentle rest.